Well, whether you just want to look more refreshed and more energetic, or you really want to turn back the hands of time, it's amazing what can be done now safely and naturally, and nobody knows that better than America's favorite dermatologist, Dr. Tess, joins us again once again on San Diego Living. Good to see you.
Great to see you.
Hey, I want to ask you something very specific today, and again, I want people to understand that the conversation we're having here applies to everyone.
Absolutely.
But there's one particular group of people that really has not had as many options, and those are people of color with darker skin.
Exactly. Well, you know, the first time I actually was introduced to lasers was a medical student at Stanford. I was a medical student, and they introduced one of the first lasers for spider veins, and I volunteered, and they zapped me, and it was one of the most excruciating painful moments of my life, and turned out blisters, and they turned into scars that lasted for years. So, you know, if you have skin type like mine, and when you go out and get sun exposure, you get tanned, you're in that kind of more complicated skin category where our natural pigment on our skin can react to the lasers and some of the devices that are used to rejuvenate the skin. So it's been my lifelongest, career-long quest to find technologies that we can use for all skin types,
so
colorblind
we've talked about the time machine so often here, and how that literally is one of these things that turns back the hands of time. Is that safe to use for people of color? It
is absolutely safe, because the technology that we use to resurface and rejuvenate the skin are what we call colorblind. It does not react with our intrinsic pigment. Also, the time machine, like this patient, in the past, it's like you'd think, okay, we'll need surgery. And also the area around the eyes, the eye bags, droopy eyelids, dark circles, this tends to be the very first areas that show age.
But look at this. This difference here between before and after is non-surgical?
Non-surgical, because also when you have skin of color, we tend to create keloids, bad, thick scars. And yeah, can you believe it, Mark? This is non-surgical. This is a patient. She came in for what we call our liquid time machine. This is no surgery. And look at the improvement around her eyes, the revolumization. She looks at least 10 years younger. You can imagine how life-transforming this is. And again, you know, in San Diego, we have a multicultural, very diverse population.
Right.
So in our clinic, we do specialize in all skin types. So whatever skin color, nationality you have, we really have the technology that is safe and effective.
You know, and really the thing that you have never brought up that I'm aware of, but I'm going to bring it up for you. You would not expect any of your patients to try something that you had not at least tried in some way on yourself to make sure that it was safe and to make sure that it delivered what it promised.
I mean, we always under-promise and over-deliver, and I am a time machine patient. You know, when people see me in person and I tell them I'm 43 in November, and those who've actually followed me, I've been in practice now for over 10 years, they say every year they see me, I look younger, and it is because of technology. I've never had any surgical rejuvenation procedure. So I am such a huge, passionate believer that we no longer have to go under the knife. Whatever skin type you have, we can turn back the clock.
And again, that's really important, whatever skin type, and that's what I want to emphasize today. And then you've got a line of beauty products now that I know you're really proud of.
I am so excited.
Over a long period of time.
TimelessMD.com. This has been a dream of mine, and for those of you, again, this is another product that I specifically tested on all skin types, but for those patients with skin of color, we also tend to have more sensitive skin, more prone to allergies. We specifically tested it so that it's effective and safe. This has 29 of the most cutting-edge technologies for skin lightening, skin soothing, antioxidants, and anti-aging, all in one simple system.
And it really doesn't have to be that complicated. It doesn't have to be that difficult.
3 quick steps and then 1 mask, you know, once or twice a week. I wanted it to be easy because I know how busy I am. I want something that I can use. And so it's available
And you
online.
are busy. How many offices are you trying to get around to these days?
We have 4 offices, and you know, it's like a busy life, but you don't have to neglect yourself, and that's one of those things. Take care of yourself. So we have many ways to help you.
Again, I can't even begin to list all the options that you offer people now, but I can tell folks about this because this is really exciting. You're going to run let's just call it a contest.
Yes.
Although, you know, you're not going to be judging this. The viewers are going to do the judging. You're going to offer a free time machine procedure to one lucky viewer. But what you have to do, folks, is you have to send your picture in and your story, why you think you want or deserve a full time machine procedure from Dr. Tess. Send it to their Facebook page. And then whoever's story gets the most likes will be the winner of that procedure. That's pretty simple, isn't it?
It is, and it's one of those things where, you know, you've met some of my time machine procedure patients, Mark. It is so transforming, not just on the outside, not just the physical, but internal. So if you are out there and you're thinking you need a boost, you need a lift, especially before the holidays, we would like to gift you a time machine procedure. Go on our Facebook page, M Beauty Clinic, and, you know, we would love to hear your story, and we would love to really share that, you know, we no longer have to, like, settle. We want to live our best lives.
There's only one rule, okay? And some of you, I think you're going to be okay with this. You have to be willing to share your story, okay? Because we want to use the before and after pictures and share your story and show everybody how magical the transformation can be with the time machine. So that's really the only rule, isn't it?
Really
you just have to be willing to share your story.
But get ready to turn back the clock on, you know, not just the way you look, but the way you feel.
All right, give us the website one more time.
Yes, so go to Facebook, go to M Beauty Clinic, and our website is mbeautyclinic.com. And if you're interested on Dr. Tess TimelessMD, that's drtesstimelessmd.com.
Very good. Dr. Tess, it's great to see you, and I cannot wait to see these entries.
Me too. Me too.
Pick
Go
a winner
on Facebook
and watch
now.
the transformation.
No, it's going to be awesome.
All right. For more information, you go to san-diego6.com. You click on San Diego Living. If you missed any of that, we'll hook you up right there. Okay, coming up, helping the men in your life look good for every occasion. One local company has been suiting up guys for years, and this morning, we're looking at the hottest styles in men's formal wear.